In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use free Gmail with your professional business email address seamlessly. This can be incredibly useful for those who want to maintain a professional image using a custom email domain, while still enjoying the familiarity and functionality of Gmail. To start, you'll need to have a Google account, which I'm assuming you do since you'll be integrating your business email with Gmail. Now, the key to this process is setting up your custom domain email, like name@yourbusiness.com, to work with your Gmail interface. This means you'll be using Gmail to send and receive emails, but with your professional address. Begin by opening Gmail in your web browser and logging into your account. Once you've logged in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu. From here, select See All Settings. This takes you to a page with various tabs for customization. You'll need to click on the Accounts and Import tab to get started on integrating your professional email. In the Accounts and Import tab, you'll find a section labeled Send Mail As. This is where we'll configure your professional business email address. Click on Add Another Email Address to begin. A new window or dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter your name and the email address you wish to add. After you've filled in these fields, click Next Step. Now, you'll be asked to provide the SMTP server details for your custom domain email. This usually includes information like the SMTP server name, your business email address, and the corresponding password. You'll also choose the connection type, typically TLS or SSL, based on your email provider's recommendations. It's crucial to ensure all details here are accurate to avoid any issues with email sending. Once these details are entered, click Add Account. Gmail will then send a verification message to your business email address. You'll need to access this email to find the verification link or code that Gmail sends. Enter this code or click the link to confirm you own this email address. After verification, your professional email is successfully linked to your Gmail. You're now ready to use Gmail to manage your business communications with your professional email, giving you all the conveniences of Gmail plus the enhanced professionalism of using your own domain. Remember, if at any point you encounter trouble with complex configuration, it's a good idea to consult your email provider's support for specific SMTP settings or any assistance you need. With everything set up, you can now enjoy sending and receiving emails through Gmail while maintaining the integrity of your professional identity. This comprehensive setup allows you to present a polished, consistent image to your clients and colleagues, all while leveraging the powerful features that Gmail provides.